Most of us are consuming olive oil incorrectly, without realizing that we may be introducing harmful compounds into our bodies. How can a fruit so bitter and nearly impossible to swallow turn into liquid gold that can be more expensive than fuel? The secret lies in the 27 °C rule and a life or death race that lasts only 12 hours. If the process is delayed by even a single minute, the entire batch of premium oil can instantly turn into worthless waste. Today, we will enter some of the most tightly controlled facilities to uncover the mechanisms behind this demanding cold press extraction process. How exactly does the journey from a bitter fruit to liquid gold unfold with such precision? Right now, we're stepping inside some of the most advanced olive oil factories to find out. If you enjoy fascinating production processes like this, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to support the channel. Now let's begin with the very first chapter. Olive oil, the liquid gold of the world. Olive oil has long been regarded as the priceless liquid gold of the sun-drenched Mediterranean region. From a single humble olive, people have skillfully crafted a smooth, aromatic oil packed with nutritional value, now found in millions of high-end kitchens around the world. But to produce a truly high-quality bottle of olive oil, everything must begin with the finest raw ingredients and a harvest timed with hour-level precision. This is not just an ordinary cooking ingredient, it is the essence of nature itself, the result of patience and masterful cultivation techniques. And before it even reaches the modern factory, have you ever wondered what noble mission this legendary tree has carried through thousands of years of history? The ancient origins of the olive tree. Few people realize that the olive tree has been deeply intertwined with human civilizations for thousands of years. On the sun-soaked, wind-swept hills of the Mediterranean, these old, gnarled trunks continue to grow quietly through the centuries. Year after year, they faithfully produce clusters of small fruits, modest in size, yet packed with immense economic and health value. For the ancient Greeks and Romans, the olive tree was not just a source of oil. It was a sacred symbol of peace, enduring life, and prosperity. From these ancient groves where roots cling tightly to the nurturing earth, the journey of those precious drops of oil begins, with a harvest season that is both bustling and deeply ceremonial. Harvesting, the decisive moment. When the autumn winds roll in, olive groves across the hills suddenly come alive with activity. This is the golden window when each olive has fully absorbed a year's worth of energy and nutrients under the intense sun. In traditional farms, growers still rely on careful hand-picking to avoid bruising the fruit. Meanwhile, in large-scale industrial plantations, massive shaking machines are brought in, taking just a few seconds to send thousands of olives cascading down like a shower of green rain. No matter the method, precision remains the top priority. The moment an olive touches the ground, its biological clock starts ticking, signaling the beginning of a relentless race to preserve every drop of its natural essence. This is not just a production process, it's a breathless race against natural oxidation. The moment an olive leaves the branch, enzymes inside it begin to break down, threatening to destroy its precious fat structure. To earn the title of extra virgin, the royal tier of vegetable oils, every parameter must be kept under absolute control. Just a few damaged fruits or a delay of more than 12 hours before pressing, and the entire profile of polyphenols and signature aromas can vanish forever. At that point, it's no longer a health-boosting superfood, but merely a low-grade industrial oil. That's why fleets of trucks must rush the harvest straight to the factory, where engineers are already on standby, ready to preserve every drop of nature's essence. Cleaning, a small but crucial step. When truckloads of olives arrive at the factory, they aren't sent straight into the press. The very first step is a highly rigorous cleaning process to remove every trace of impurities from the field. Powerful streams of air are blown through filtration systems to strip away leaves, small branches, and dust clinging to the skins. After that, the olives are fed into continuously rotating water tanks to be thoroughly washed. It may sound simple, but this step plays a crucial role in shaping the final flavor. Believe it or not, just a few stray leaves crushed along with the fruit can release chlorophyll and plant resins, making the oil harshly bitter and prone to spoilage. The purity of every drop of oil begins right here, with these streams of clean, flowing water. Sorting, a rigorous inspection. After being thoroughly washed and drained, the olives move along vibrating conveyor belts into a high-tech sorting stage. Here, advanced multispectral optical cameras and infrared sensors scan each olive at incredible speed. They can detect even the tiniest defects invisible to the human eye, from early fermentation and mold to tiny holes caused by insects. Any fruit that fails to meet the quality standards is instantly blasted off the line by powerful jets of compressed air. Only the most perfect olives, plump, uniform, and flawless, are allowed to continue to the crushing stage where the real magic begins. Crushing the olives. When fruit becomes an oil-rich paste. After passing the strict quality checks, these premium olives are fed directly into industrial stainless steel crushers. Inside, metal discs or hammer mills spin at thousands of revolutions per minute, crushing the entire fruit flesh, skin, and pit included. This process transforms them into a thick, dense mixture known as olive paste. Within this greenish-purple mass, rich aromas begin to rise as polyphenols are released, along with tiny droplets of oil that were once trapped inside plant cells. However, at this stage, the oil is still mixed with water and solid residue. To extract the pure flow of this liquid gold, the paste must undergo a crucial and almost secretive technical step that comes next. Malaxation, the secret behind cold press technology. After crushing, the olive paste moves into the malaxation stage, a slow, carefully controlled mixing process that feels almost like an art form. This is the delicate line between creating a natural masterpiece and ending up with low-grade industrial oil. In the world of premium olive oil, the term cold-pressed isn't just a marketing trick, it's a strict rule for survival. The temperature of the paste must be tightly kept below 27 degrees Celsius. Even a single degree above that can destroy the valuable polyphenols and the oil's signature natural aroma. During this gentle mixing process, tiny oil droplets begin to merge into larger ones, preparing for the intense separation step that follows. It's this level of extreme patience that forms the true secret behind producing top-tier liquid gold. Centrifugation. Separating the oil in seconds. Once the oil droplets have merged to an ideal size, the mixture is transferred into a high-speed industrial centrifuge. Inside the rapidly spinning metal drum, a force thousands of times stronger than Earth's gravity is generated. Using differences in density, the machine separates the mixture into three completely distinct layers: solid pulp, water, and pure oil. In just a matter of seconds, under the power of physics, the first stream of olive oil begins to flow. At this stage, The oil has a deep green color, is slightly cloudy, and carries the intense, fresh aroma of fruit. It's the most magical moment when the result of an entire year of hard work finally takes visible form. Oil filtration, the step that perfects the flavor. The oil coming out of the centrifuge still contains microscopic particles from the fruit pulp and tiny water droplets, giving it a slightly cloudy appearance. To ensure consistent quality and extend shelf life, the oil is typically passed through specialized filtration systems using cellulose membranes or ultrafine filter sheets. This filtration process removes the last remaining impurities while preserving the valuable aromatic compounds and essential vitamins. A high-quality bottle of olive oil should achieve a clear appearance and a uniform color. After filtration, the oil becomes more chemically stable, ready to be stored in an oxygen-free environment before reaching consumers around the world. To completely guard against the three biggest enemies, heat, light, and oxygen, olive oil, after filtration, is stored in massive stainless steel tanks. Here, the temperature is strictly maintained between 14 and 18 degrees Celsius to ensure the oil remains stable and does not degrade. Specialized engineers carry out a nitrogen flushing process to fully remove oxygen, creating a perfectly inert environment inside the tanks. This rigorous storage method preserves the oil's complex chemical structure and keeps its flavor fresh and vibrant, as if it were just pressed moments ago. Only after passing strict tests for acidity and sensory quality is the oil allowed to move on to the final bottling stage. Bottling, when each drop steps out into the world. The final stage is automated bottling carried out in a sterile environment. Dark glass bottles or metal cans are preferred to block light penetration, the leading cause of rancidity. Before each bottle is tightly sealed, nitrogen is once again injected to ensure that not a single molecule of oxygen remains inside. Every bottle leaving the factory carries with it a story of dedication, from thousand-year-old trees to the most advanced modern technology. Now, these drops of liquid gold are ready to elevate the flavor of dishes and bring health to millions of families across our blue planet. Conclusion: the journey of liquid gold. Behind every bottle of oil in the kitchen lies a long journey that blends the forces of nature with modern technology. One final secret: when buying olive oil, look for the harvest date instead of focusing only on the expiration date, because olive oil retains its greatest value within 12 months after pressing. A fatal mistake: never pour extra virgin olive oil into a smoking hot pan. High temperatures can break its molecular structure, turning liquid gold into potentially harmful compounds. Here's a small tip for you. Taste a spoonful of the oil. If you feel a sharp, peppery sensation rising in your throat, that's the sign of authentic oil. So do you own a truly premium bottle of olive oil? Check it now and share your results in the comments below.